is Andy with SpryLyfe Medical, and we are a respiratory medical equipment company here in the Denver Tech Center. We supply battery-powered oxygen concentrators. So one of the biggest things with the oxygen tanks that you might see around is you have to get them constantly refilled, redelivered. So you have deliveries coming sometimes multiple times a week and all that interaction going on. So we had a pretty big increase in people looking to purchase a portable oxygen concentrator, which does supply medical grade oxygen just like the tanks, except this is battery powered and it doesn't have to be refilled. It essentially is 24/7 oxygen as long as the battery is obviously charged or plugged in. So we've been working with delivery partners while we are local here in Denver Tech Center. We do ship nationwide across the United States, and we've been working with different carriers, UPS, FedEx, to make sure everyone can get their machine, get their oxygen on time, not having to worry about a delivery for their oxygen tank or refill on their oxygen tank. Another way that we have been working through this is working with some telemedicine partners to help patients that aren't able to get out, or maybe they just don't want to get out. They're trying to stay social distance themselves from people as much as possible. They can't get into their doctor, so we've been providing them with telemedicine partners. So here at SpryLyfe Medical, we do try to offer the absolute best prices that we can, and we do also have various financing partners for low monthly payment options if you are interested in that. You can visit us online at SpryLyfe.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-314-8225. Have a great day.